It's quite common for imperfections to show up in a floor after it's been sanded. Wormholes, knot holes, fractures in the boards can cause, they're not a problem until the floor has been through the process of being resanded. Then these things pop up. Such is the case with this floor. It's been finished, and a fracture in the board of one board in the middle of the floor caused a piece of the board to remove, and now I've replaced that with some putty. And this technique is intended to protect the rest of the floor with the blue tape while making the repair in this cavity. So I have taped off the cavity with blue tape. I've wrapped a piece of sandpaper around the block, and now I know that when I get down to the level of the tape, when I start to remove tape on my sanding block, that I've gotten it fairly flush with the floor. Okay, then it's just a matter of blowing off the dust, applying the finish or the stain. Just going to dry brush that a little bit. Just give it a little bit more. And then we pull the tape. And dry brush it again. Voila!